Hey guys, my name is Bhaskar and in this video I'm going to teach you how to match your composition resolution that is different from your video resolution. So fire up Adobe After Effects and let's get started. So let's say you are going to work on a new project and you want to export your video, let's say in 720p. So to do that, first we'll create a composition that is 720p. I'm just going to create a 720p resolution composition here and I'm just going to type in the values. So now I have created a 720p composition, but the clip that you want to edit on this particular composition is, let's say, 1080p clip. So I'm just going to import a 1080p clip here. This is a 1080p clip. Now what will happen if I import this 1080p clip on this 720p timeline? You will notice that my video has zoomed in. If I click my video originally, you see the video resolution is different. But on my composition here, this is showing as differently, it's zoomed in. So how do we fix that? To fix this, all you have to do is right click on this particular video, go to transform and click on fit to comp. When you click on fit to comp, you see your video is now matching with your composition resolution and your 1080p video has been downscaled to 720p. Now the same thing can happen in reverse also. I'm just going to undo it here so that I can show you. Now let's say your composition is a 4K resolution composition. So I'm just going to change the settings here to make it 4K. I'm going to type in 4096 and the height is 2160. So these are dimensions of a 4K clip. So now my composition is a 4K composition, but my clip here is 1080p. So see what is going to happen. When I put my clip on this composition now, it is small because it's obvious, right? My resolution is bigger than my clip. So to match this, all you have to do again is right click on this video, go to transform and click on fit to comp. Now my 1080p video has been upscaled to 4K. So this is how you match your composition with your video resolution. So I hope this video was informative. If you like this video, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, hit the bell notification. It gives me a lot of encouragement to make more videos and bring it to you guys. So stay safe guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.